Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the German company, Ed Mahony, this time the Wildlife Duo model. Brown leather sheath, closing with a snap, a belt loop. The stitching is even. Total length is 19.7 centimeters with open blade, 19.9 centimeters with open saw, blade length is 8 centimeters, saw length is 8.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The saw thickness is 2.5 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 440C. It's a good quality stainless steel, tempered between 58 to 59 HRC. Mirror finish of the blade. Full flat grind. On the blade you can see the name of the company, Ed Mahony. The company logo depicting a bull. An inscription Outdoor Adventure. On the other is the name of the steel, 440C. The saw has a bottle opener at its base. The saw itself does its job, I checked it out. Both tools are opened by a nail nick. The blade has a backlock. The saw has a slip joint. The handle scales are made of staghorn, brass rivets, polished stainless steel ferrules. In summary, a true German classics in its purest form. A very elegant pocket knife, a great idea as a gift for everyone. An absolute must-have for all lovers of traditional knives. Good steel, impeccable mechanics. No crunching or screeches, so there's nothing to complain about. Elegance, quality and practically in one piece. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.